This is sad. She can't figure out how to turn on the TV.
My TV's so easier. Oh. What did I do?
I don't know. Turn it off.
Come on. Ow! Yee!
Alright, turn it back on. Okay, you got it on. Now turn it off. Touch the screen again.
It worked! Yay! It's an iPhone!
Did you just call my TV an iPhone?
No! Hey! Look! Look! Watch! Come on, you stupid TV. It's stupid.
I think you're the one who's stupid.
Yay.
I had the remote behind me the whole time.